Hello, welcome to 8 Chemistry with Aminu Kabir. In science, it is not enough to say something is long, hot, or heavy. We need the exact numbers and the right unit so that scientists everywhere can agree with our measurements. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain measurement, identify SI-based units and common prefixes, outline tools for measurements, apply significant figures in calculations. What is measurement? Measurement means attaching a number and a unit to a property, like saying a measuring cylinder contains 250 milliliters instead of saying it is about half full. SI-based units and tools for measurement. The International System of Units, or SI, gives scientists a common language for measurement. It has 7 base units. Let's discuss about these units one after the other. Length. Length is the distance between 2 points and is measured in meters. Length is measured using some basic equipment such as meter rule or ruler, vernier caliper. Mass. Mass is measured in kilogram. The equipment used in measuring mass is weighing balance and triple beam balance. Time. Time is measured in seconds. The equipment used in measuring time is the clock, while stopwatch is used in measuring the interval of time. Temperature. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body, or the measure of average kinetic energy of a body. It is measured with a thermometer and is measured in Kelvin. Amount of substance. Amount of substance is measured in mole. There is no equipment used in measuring amount of substance, but it can be calculated using the formula moles is equal to mass over molar mass. Electric current. Electric current, this is the motion of charges and is measured in ampere. The equipment used in measuring electric current is known as the ammeter. Luminous intensity. Luminous intensity is the measure of how bright a light is and is measured in candela. The equipment used in measuring luminous intensity is the luminance meter. Significant figures. Significant figures shows how precise a measurement is. Here are 4 main rules for determining significant figures. Rule 1. Non-zero digits are significant. In the example 2, 3, 4, we have 3 significant figures. Rule 2. Leading zeros don't count. That is to say, leading zeros are not significant. In the example 0.0023, we have just 2 significant figures, which is 2 and 3. Zeros in the middle count. In the example 1003, we have 2 zeros in the middle between 1 and 3. So therefore, we have 4 significant figures in 1003. Trailing zeros after a decimal point count. In the example 45.600, we have 5 significant figures. SI prefixes. Prefixes scale unit for bigger or smaller measurements. If we want to measure something that is bigger than the base unit, we use prefixes. For example, we have kilo, which means 1,000 times bigger than the base unit. Then we have milli, which means 1,000 times smaller than the base unit. Other SI prefixes include giga, which is 1 billion times bigger than the base unit. We have mega, which is also 1 million times bigger than the base unit. We have kilo, which is 1,000 times bigger than the base unit. Then we have milli. Milli is 1,000 times smaller than the base unit. We have micro, which is 1 millionth times smaller than the base unit. Temperature scale. We measure temperature in Celsius, Kelvin, and Fahrenheit. Here is how they relate. The freezing point of the Fahrenheit scale is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, while of Celsius scale is 0 degrees Celsius, and the Kelvin scale is 273 Kelvin. The boiling point of the Fahrenheit scale is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. That of Celsius scale is 100 degrees Celsius, and that of Kelvin is 373 Kelvin. How do we convert from one scale to another? We use these simple formulas. To convert from Kelvin to Celsius scale, we subtract 273 from the Kelvin temperature. To convert from Celsius to Kelvin scale, we add 273 to the Celsius temperature to get our temperature in Kelvin. To convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit scale, we multiply the Celsius value by 1.8 and add 32 to it. To convert from Fahrenheit scale to Celsius scale, we subtract 32 from the Fahrenheit value and divide by 1.8. You can download today's lesson notes and take the quiz in the video description. Test yourself to see how much you comprehend. Don't forget to subscribe to ACE Chemistry for more short and concise lessons that make you exam ready. I am Aminu Kabir. See you in the next reaction.